Let's solve another arithmetic problem. In this problem, it says that Kyle has 5 more tapes than Rouge, while Rouge has 3 more tapes than Pedro. If Pedro has 6 more than John and gives 2 tapes to him, and then John buys 5 new tapes, how many more tapes does Kyle have than John? Now, this statement seems rather complicated where too many people is being added, but it's not as difficult as it seems. If you look at the last question, it says that how many more tapes does Kyle have than John? So ultimately we have to find the difference in tapes between Kyle and then John. So let us start with Kyle. Kyle has 5 more tapes than Rouge, while Rouge has 3 more tapes than Pedro, and Pedro has 6 more than John. So altogether, Kyle has 5 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 14 tapes more than John at the beginning. But at the current situation, you will recall that Pedro gives 2 more tapes to John. So now Kyle is 14 minus 2 times ahead of John. But then John buys 5 new tapes. So 5 more is being deducted. So now Kyle has 7 more tapes than John at the current situation. So for this problem statement, the answer would be E7.